Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change PHP version in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin and then you see PHP version 8.0. So we are going to change it and we are using wamp server. Now click on it and then you see wamp icon, local server. So click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see PHP 8.0.13 and then you see version 5.6, 7.0. You see multiple option. So you can select according to requirement. Now we select 8.1.0. So when we select it, wamp server restart auto. Now you see, and then you see we are in PhpMyAdmin again, and then you see PHP version 8.1.0. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.